Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make the most delicious lemon cake. And with me here, I have my list of ingredients. So from this corner, I have some margarine, or you can also use butter depending on what you have and what you like. I have some sugar. I have some self-raising flour. If you do not have the self-raising flour, always add some baking powder to your all-purpose flour. I have 2 eggs and I have my buttermilk. And since I have some buttermilk, I'll also include some baking soda in my recipe. And then finally, I have my lemon, but you can also substitute that with some lemon flavor or lemon essence. I'm going to be using this for today's recipe, but if at all you do not have this, you can always use a lemon and it works just as good. You just have to grate this outer part of the lemon and squeeze in some lemon juice and you'll be good to go. And without further ado, let's get started. So the exact quantities are going to be listed, and I'm going to be using this outer part. I'm not going to be using the lemon juice because I have this, and this tastes very delicious. So you should only grate the green part. Do not go deep into the white part because the white part is usually very bitter. You can see that my hands are oily, and this is because of the oils from the zest of the lemon. So it brings some flavor. Do not skip out on that. So I have lined my baking tin with some parchment paper. If you do not have a parchment paper, you just rub some butter or margarine on the wall of your tin, then you dust it with some flour. And as always, taste your dough, and I guarantee you that this is tasting very delicious. So I'm going to transfer this in here, and in the meantime my oven is preheating at 170 degrees. So finally we are done, and you can see how moist this cake is. So we'll just give this a taste test, and I've served mine with some hibiscus tea. You can check out the recipe. I'm going to post it in a few. It tastes so good. And the tea too. Wow. So this is perfect. You can have it as a snack, you can have it with tea. Wow. This is a very delicious combination. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.